Morning, children. How are you all today? Okay. Oh, what happened to this girl? What she's doing, children? Do you think the way she is coughing is right? You're right. No, this is not the way to cough. Why do you think it's not the right way to cough, children? Can you tell me? Yes, because the germs. Do you know how to cough safely? Can you tell me the way, children? Here it is. Yes, children, we should cover our mouth and nose with tissue paper. What if tissue is not available? Here is another way. We can also use our elbow to cover mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing. There is one more other way to cover mouth and nose. Can you guess what it is? Let's think together. Yes, that's the mask. Let's see how to wear a mask. 1, 2, and 3, and we are done. Let's see a small demonstration how to wear a mask. Goodbye, children. So hope you will follow all these steps and also send me your picture, or maybe you can draw and send to me as soon as possible. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.